Exciters are easily one of the most fascinating pieces of audio equipment over the last decade. You can hook them up to an amp and connect them to just about anything to turn them into a speaker. Dayton Audio is now taking the Exciter to the next level with our exclusive IMS, or interchangeable mounting system. With this new feature, you can simply mount the disc and then screw on any compatible IMS labeled exciters, allowing you to test and discover which ones will work best for you. The Dayton Audio IMS exciters provide a non-destructive way to mount and remount our selected exciters to try them here, here, or here to get the perfect sound you're looking for. Now, A/B testing, replacing, and placement of exciters couldn't be easier, opening up many new possibilities for the audio enthusiast. Dayton Audio is very excited about the integration possibilities of this newly improved audio technology, and we think you will be too. We are launching with our 8 most common exciter sizes, which are all compatible with the same IMS disc, with many versions coming soon after. Test the limits of your imagination with the Dayton Audio IMS exciters.